Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make French toast. So let's get started! Hit pause at any time to take a look at the ingredients and the items you'll need. I'm using homemade bread for this recipe. Alright, let's go ahead and mix our ingredients. Crack 2 large eggs and place it in a bowl. Season with salt and whisk thoroughly. Add 2 cups of fresh milk and a tablespoon of honey. Add some dashes of cinnamon powder. Whisk again to combine. Prepare 2 to 4 slices of bread. Dip a slice of bread into the egg and milk mixture and let it soak for 30 seconds. Now let's toast the bread. Allow the pan to warm over medium heat. Add some butter. Put a tablespoon of butter and let it melt completely. Then put the soaked bread into the pan. Toast it for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour a 1/4 cup of the mixture. Push the excess liquid to the center and onto the bread. Let the yummy milk curds to form around the bread. Check the bread every 30 to 60 seconds or until golden. Flip the bread over and toast it for equal time. When both sides are golden brown, transfer onto a plate. Top with your choice of fruits, powdered sugar, butter, and drizzle with your favorite maple syrup. Yummy! Would you look at that? Try this delicious breakfast dish. Enjoy! Delivery.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Push these out.
Oh.
Yeah, actually, I guess.
Good? All right.